Hello, today I am making Dijon Seitan bites. Mustardy, savory, super easy. The original was pork, now I am making it with seitan. Same flavors, different protein. 20 grams seitan. I slice it 1/4 inch thick. I make a marinade in the morning. 40 milliliters dry white wine, 60 milliliters olive oil, 1 tablespoon finely chopped onion, 1 clove garlic, and heat until it's steaming. I take it off the heat and whisk in 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard and half teaspoon honey, and let it cool. And I add salt and pepper to taste. After it completely cooled, I whisk in half a teaspoon freshly squeezed lemon juice. And mix into the seitan. I cover it and put it in the fridge for 5 to 6 hours. It's time to prep dinner. I finely chop half of a medium onion. The seitan marinated for 6 hours. Now I pat them dry between paper towels. I heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a pan. I dredge the seitan in flour, shake off the excess, then put it in the pan and brown it on both sides. After they are nicely browned, I take them out of the pan. Now I add the finely chopped onion. I stir, then I add a little water and freshly ground black pepper. Plus 1/4 of a teaspoon marjoram. And now I add the remaining marinade to the pan. I cover and simmer until the onion is tender, about 8 minutes. I check and it needs a little more water. I cover it again for a few more minutes. Let's check. The onion is tender, so I put the seitan back in the pan. I add 1 tablespoon soya sauce, and if it needs more salt, pepper, or mustard, I adjust it. I simmer for 1 more minute and it's done. Keep it covered until serving. I serve it with rice. Let's taste.
Delicious. Oops.
Here it is, super easy dinner. Dijon Seitan. I am off to eat. Bye for now. See you next time.